Hello everyone, welcome back. And we're gonna be on week 11, part 2. So I don't know why I shared that. I don't need it. Okay, so these 2 weeks, these 2 weeks, yeah. These 2 weeks, we're gonna be talking about a module thing called collections. And so those collections have different things. And this week, we're going to be talking about counter. So basically how you access the counter is from collections import counter. Okay. And you run that. So that's not going to do anything yet. So let's create a list. I'm going to call it list. Okay. Let's not do that. My list equals, or we can make a list. So, how about we make it numbers? Let's see, I forgot 2 here. All right, so here we go. And then, oh, yeah, it's the same thing. I'm gonna do counter. I'm gonna call counter, and I'm gonna call my list. Oh, I have something on my keyboard. All right. So basically, this is gonna count how many ones there are, how many separate 6s, 11s, 12s, 21s, that's 1 million, 1.5 millions, 56, and so on. And that also works with strings. So you can do s equals okay, so that's a random string I made. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna call counter on s, and make sure you capitalize it. If you don't capitalize it, that's gonna happen. So counter is not defined. You have to capitalize it, and then here's what you get. So it turns out A has the most, and second most is M, and so forth. It also works with, so this is one giant word, but if you create another list or string, how many times does this word show up in this sentence? And then it's gonna be okay, so that's my sentence, and it's a fairly long one, as you can see. So, and now that I did that, I forgot what I named my string. Okay, so it's string that I, so here's the string name. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split that. Oops, forgot to dot. All right. So when I do that, this turns this into a list, and I can iterate that, and I do words. And this should do that. And when I do counter on words, Oops. There we go. It should give me this. So that's basically it. All right. And so there's one more thing I can show you. So we do C equals counter in words. And then here I can do C dot most common and 4. So this shows me the 4 most common words in the English. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, so that's all on this collections lesson. If you enjoyed it, or if you thought it was useful, just try it. Anyway, I'll see you next week. Bye.